Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka jila o kan rat sangma minta kasni ka khatway trik no pra arja pusan ula Plie ka jakabu eki solar panel ha Ophis Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban penmi boarding ha yeng kisem ki Ophis ki school bat ki jaka sumar ukan rat ula ong bakani ka jakabu eki ne kitiar penmi boarding ka Longïing ka CM solar mission ula ong bakine kimdei tangki solar panel hendai ki donru yu battery ban bujli khnang bakinong puran kam kila ban bu ne puran kam hagapol baki kwa puran kam ulaong bakani kalong kanuksa baka Meghalaya Pollution Control Board kala le ban penmi ka boarding bakhut baki weiru kin board lang ni gani shu ulaong bakani ngi la penlong ru ka jingalang jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board nak benta ban penthama ya karukam trikam jong ka board bat kani ka jingalang kalong ka bayat be ya renti bat kala donru ki jing ai jingmut ki jingakran kumno banang penbhai ka jing trikam ka board nang ni shakmat kumjuru banang penbha ka bedei bat ki an nak benta ban yadai ka leer ka bat ka mariang
The installation of the solar panels under the CM solar mission. As you're aware, this is a state scheme. It's a idea that was floated about a year back, where we want to ensure that government offices, homes, schools, health centers, all of them have some sort of clean energy and a solar energy backup that's available. And what makes this program special is it's not just the solar panels, but there is also an inverter and battery that ensures that the energy can be stored and then can be used by the people as and when they want it. So we're giving a full solution and not just a piecemeal solution. And I'm happy that today in the Pollution Board office here in Shillong, we have just inaugurated this, and I hope that this will support the overall energy requirement here. And more importantly, it will send a positive message that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is leading by example to ensure that they're using clean energy and motivate other organizations to also do the same. Thank you. Today, we had a meeting of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. As you're aware, as the Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, the Pollution Board comes under the ministry. And as Minister in charge, I felt it necessary to review the working of the State Pollution Board, and I'm happy to inform that, of course, I'm here today, and that we reviewed the entire working of the board, and it was a very, very positive meeting. A lot of positive suggestions have come, and discussions on how to streamline the working of the Pollution Board and ensure that it is more effective. A lot of work has been done in the past many years, but a lot more can be done in the future, and therefore a lot of positive suggestions came, and we have discussed on those matters. We will take up another review meeting in the month of January, where we will then take up concrete steps and measures on how to expand the scope of work of the board and see how we can be more effective to ensure that the different aspects of and the mandates that are there as per the Air Act, the Water Act and the Environment Protection Act, those can be protected and those can be implemented. So measures will be discussed, and I hope that in the days to come we will see the Pollution Board becoming a very vibrant and a very effective board, and which will lead to overall, as I said, better overall air quality and water quality, and overall control the pollution level in the state as well.